May I please, your lordship? May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 54.
54.
Yes, lordship. Lordship, kindly grant us 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply, in opposition, lordship.
Time. To file the affidavit in reply.
In opposition, lordship.
Hmm?
In opposition. Affidavit in opposition.
Affidavit in?
Opposition.
Oh, you are for the respondent side.
No, reply.
Now reply. No, like. After 2 weeks? After 2 weeks?
Your Lordship, this is interim.
Hmm.
Kindly extend the same.
In order past earlier will continue.
Yeah, please, your lordship. Lord, supplementary list item 83. This matter was listed on 13/6/2023, and with the consent of all the parties, the matter was fixed to be listed on 20th July 2023. That is after the vacation. But it appears that
Advanced.
it was
Prepone.
instead of 7, it was recorded as 6.
Yeah,
It
it will
was
go
fixed on 7th
to the
July
earlier date, 20.
because Mr. Boro was from Gauhati. So we need a fixed date. So it was fixed on
20th of July?
yes, 20th of July. So it is wrongly listed. Maybe it referred to.
Yes.
Much applies.
20th of July.
I've taken the consent from the other side. Both
With
are
consent
expressing
of the other
consent.
side.
Applies.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention supplementary item number 82.
Huh?
Supplementary cost list.
Now
82.
82.
Item number 82, lordship. Lordship, I have taken the consent from the opposite party, lordship, to list the matter on 27 next week, lordship.
(27/6).
Lordship.
With consent.
Lordship.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 8, lordship. Here, lordship, I'm yet to receive instruction, lordship. I'm yet to receive instruction, lordship.
Is yet to receive his instructions.
Item number 8.
Instructions not received. Who is appearing for the petitioner side?
Lordship, I have taken the consent, lordship.
Also, with consent. After 1 week?
After 3 weeks,
After 3 weeks.
lordship. Lordship, I also beg to mention item 57 on behalf of my colleague, Ms. Supong Chang.
On behalf of
Supong Chang.
Supok Chang. After
3 weeks, lordship.
after 3 weeks.
Lordship, highly obliged.
Please, your Lordship. Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 56.
26.
56, 56, your Lordship.
56.
Yes, your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm here to file affidavit in reply, hence it may be listed after 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks. 3 weeks to file, so as to enable the petitioner to file affidavit in reply. List after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention admission item number 9.
9.
Yes, my lord. Lordship, I have received the affidavit in opposition filed by the state, respondent 1 to 3. I may be allowed 3 weeks' time to file reply, Lordship.
3 weeks time?
Yes, my lord. In the meantime, Lordship, interim may be continued.
To file affidavit in reply. 3 weeks. List after 3 weeks. Interim order passed earlier will continue till then.
Much obliged.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 52.
52.
Lordship. Lordship, I pray that this matter come up
We
on
had so many
Thursday.
matters are listed today, no? 52. Hmm.
I pray that this matter come up on Thursday, 22nd.
22nd of June.
Lordship.
No. Not on
Lordship, and after 2
Thursday.
weeks.
On Tuesday next. On Tuesday next, huh?
Lordship, then on Monday.
This is admission hearing, no?
Lordship.
On Monday.
Lordship, there's an interim. There's an interim.
Interim is there.
Lordship.
Interim to continue till then. Interim.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 53 also.
53. Same.
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
After 2 weeks. On request of so and so. List after 3 weeks.
May I please, my lord? Lordship, in item 53, I have filed my additional affidavit. However, your lordship, I have wrongly typed a wrong date, your lordship.
Wrongly type what?
I have typed a wrong date in my additional affidavit. If I may be allowed to correct that particular date, just the
No,
date.
okay, you
your
correct. Correct it.
Lordship.
Rectify the defect.
Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention the supplementary list, item number 84, on behalf of my colleague KV Angami, Lordship. If this matter can be listed on 26th,
On 26.
yes, my lord.
On request. 26/6.
Lordship. Lordship, for item number 61, Lordship, I'm making a mention again on behalf of my colleague KV Angami, Lordship. If 3 weeks' time can kindly be granted, your Lordship,
3 weeks for what?
for filing counter affidavit, my lord.
Counter affidavit.
Your Lordship, there's an interim.
List after 3 weeks. Interim order passed earlier will continue till then. Any more?
No, deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2 and 3.
2,
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
2 and 3, Lordship. I'm for the petitioner in item number 2. My senior, he's in bereavement, your Lordship. So I pray.
Your senior?
Is in bereavement. In bereavement.
I could
My
not
senior
hear.
is in bereavement, Lordship.
This is not audible, no? What happened to your senior?
He's in bereavement, your Lordship.
Bereavement.
So I pray this
Not
matter
audible,
may
no?
come up on 18th of
Bereavement,
July.
bereavement. When to
18th
be
of July.
fixed? When to be
After the
fixed?
vacation,
18 July.
18 July.
18 July.
First day.
Second.
Second day. Eighteen seven.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, may I be pleased to mention item number 64.
64.
64 to 80, Your Lordship. It's an analogous matter.
64 to 80. They are order meters.
Your Lordship, let the matter come up after 3 weeks, Your Lordship, because I am here to receive instruction from the government.
Oh, required instructions not received. Since you request for 3 weeks time to enable her to obtain the required instructions. No objection? Petitioners side have no objection. After 3 weeks,
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 59 on behalf of AIM, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, item number, sorry, Your Lordship, my apology, item number 63, Your Lordship,
Not 59.
not 59, Your Lordship. 63. Your Lordship, after 3 weeks, Your Lordship, to file counter.
After 3 weeks. In the meantime, the petitioner shall file affidavit in reply.
Your Lordship, the respondent will file affidavit, Your Lordship.
Also. 3 weeks?
Yes,
After
Your Lordship,
3
3 weeks. Your Lordship, I also like to mention item number 55 on behalf of AIME. 55. Your Lordship, let the matter be fixed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, in that case, Your Lordship, the matter may be fixed on 20th of July, Your Lordship.
20th of July?
20th of July.
20th.
I'll inform the petitioner. Your Lordship.
On 20th of July. 20th of July.
Obliged, Lordship.
Much obliged. Your Lordship.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention item 4.
Item number 4.
Lordship, this is for admission hearing. Let this will come up day after tomorrow,
Day after tomorrow will be difficult. No?
Thursday, that is.
No. On some other day.
Monday. Then Monday,
Monday.
coming Monday.
Monday.
And your Lordship, items 58.
58.
Yes, I'm representing the state here, all the state respondents.
58, no?
58. Lordship, this matter will come up after 2 weeks.
58 after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Obliged.
Much pleasure.
For motion, item number 1.
Your Worship, this is with petition challenging the order of the gate. So whether it will be approved, whether this court can take up this writ petition, because usually an appeal against the gate is taken up by the division bench.
Appeal lies before the DB
Yes, Lord.
against case judgment.
Yes, Lord.
Who is appealing for the petitioner side?
This is a motion.
Huh?
Motion.
Union of India. So, where is the rule?
There is no rule as such, Lordship, but all the
By
appeals
practice.
by practice, Lordship. There is no rule. This is by practice. Because the gate is passed by two members.
Wait. I'll see. I'll take up discuss the matter with registry.
Not.
There must be some rule, na? Gauhati High Court rules and orders.
Yes, but all the
Find out,
judgments,
find out.
there is no rules as such, Lordship, but in all the
No.
judgments, and all the appeal against the
Any
gate,
Supreme Court judgment?
that I'm not aware. That I'm not aware.
I have to find out that. I have to find out, huh?
Yes, yes.
For admission, item number 5 to 6, 5 to 7.
Make picture also, you know.
Oh, yes. Sir,
Well, this matter has been listed for disposal at the itself.
you're not audible, not audible.
Well, the matter has been listed for final disposal at the admission stage.
See, it's all the technician. You're looking at- It's not clear, no?
Am I audible now, my lord?
Yes, sir.
My lord, am I audible now, my lord?
Not clearly audible.
Very to soft. I'm changing my instrument, my lord, from
Ah,
laptop to iPad now, like you see, my lord.
it's not clear.
Some customer
Can you try after some time? Can you try after some time?
As your lordship, please, I have no problem.
After some time, huh?
My lord, I will wait for it.
After some time, huh? We defect we rectify it.
For admission, item numbers 10 to 50.
Ten to
50, Lordship.
50.
Yes, Lordship.
What is it?
Lordship,
It is related to what?
seeking for compensation for the property damage, Lordship.
Achha. It will take time.
Your Lordship, this is damage compensations
Huh?
claimed by the
Land
landowner.
acquisition matter.
True, Your Lordship.
Since when pending? 2011.
Yes, Your
Lord.
Lordship. 2021.
Huh?
2021. Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship, if my lord can kindly see the order dated 29/5/23, Lordship. Here, this honorable court has directed the respondents to produce some instruction. So, if
29/5/2023.
Lordship,
On the next date, fixed Mr. L.T. Sankam, learned additional AG, Nagaland, and Mr. Z.N. Nungli, learned CGC, shall come with proper instructions on the steps taken with their clients. Expeditious disposal of the case which is presently pending before the honorable is made clear that if no instruction is forthcoming, this court may have to consider disposing the present requisition irrespective of the pendency of the case.
Your Lordship, here on 16 March 2023, as directed by this honorable court, to file a common written statement. Accordingly, we have filed on the part of the state respondents. However, if I may be allowed to take Your Lordship to Iran 4, running page 12, operating portion of my state respondents' affidavit in opposition, which was filed on 22nd July 2022. Affidavit in opposition for and on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, and 5, respectively. May I read, Your Lordship? Running page 12. Running page 12, Your Lordship. Thus, DWT National Highway, Nagaland had filed an appeal in the Delhi High Court against the arbitral award, and the same is still pending for disposal.
Oh.
Thus, the respondent authority is also not sitting over the matter, but diligently taking measures so as to dispose the matter.
Paragraph number?
Therefore, running page 12, Your Lordship.
Paragraph number 4.
Roman 18, page 12.
The project of true learning.
Running page 12, Your Lordship.
Running page 12.
Yes, Your Lordship. In my
Yeah,
affidavit.
paragraph number?
Paragraph 4, Roman
Paragraph 4,
18.
there is a paragraph 4.
In my affidavit.
Concern for issuance of writ of certiorari. This is comprehensive, na?
Your Lordship.
Just let me find out. Comprehensive affidavit in opposition, now respond number 2.
No, Your Lordship. I'm talking about the respondent number 1, 3, 4, and 5, Your Lordship. State respondents affidavit.
Who is it? Opposition behalf of 1, 3, 4, and 5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Fine.
Running page 12.
Running page 12.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Matter is still pending before
Thus,
the
PWD NS
Yes, Your Lordship.
Nagaland had filed an appeal in the Delhi High Court against the arbitral award, and the same is still pending for disposal. That the respondent authority is also not sitting over the matter, but diligently taking measures so as to dispose the matter in the interest of all concerned. It is still pending.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship.
What's the name?
However, Lordship, regarding this issue, it was already taken up before his Lordship, And however, as per this Lordship, they were directed to produce the instruction, Lordship. We produced some citations also, Lordship, where the parties are not party in a arbitral award, Lordship. In an arbitral disposal, Lordship, they
No,
were
you
given
see,
instruction,
that arbitral award has been challenged before the Delhi High Court.
Lordship.
So you have to wait. Piecemeal judgment, no. Cannot be passed. No. If you again obtain instruction, latest status
Yes, Your Lordship.
in the instant proceeding. The
I have taken an instruction from the Union of India, the very case that is which one is challenging the Delhi High Court that arbitration award. So now till that I have not received any instruction whether that one is disposed or not, as per the directions of the Honorable Court, my lord. So that let this matter become up after 2-3 weeks, my lord.
20.
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks.
Yes.
To obtain instruction.
Yes, my lord. Actually, I have filed my comprehensive affidavit, but whether
Everything is available in the net now. You can visit the Delhi High Court website, you find out the latest position. But that is not done. It seems that they will contact the parties over phone, etc. No credibility.
The matter is still
Everything,
pending.
now all the high courts are connected, even the district courts. District courts are more nicely connected to internet, updated every day. That is appreciable. So you obtain instruction the next week. Can it be possible?
No, my lord.
3 weeks
3
time.
weeks, yes, my lord.
So, you know?
Lordship.
In para number 4, 4 or what?
There are 4 remain
Para
18.
4 Raman 18.
Yes, Your Lord.
18. The respondents number 1, 3, 4, and 5 have averred that the PWD within bracket NS capital Nagaland had filed an appeal in a Delhi High Court against the arbitral award, and the same is still pending for disposal. At this stage, MS, Madam, please.
Mikaya, Lordship.
You are for the petitioner.
Lordship.
You are seeking time to obtain further instructions.
Lordship, it's just that who should bring the instruction, Lordship.
So, Lanet, you are government advocate or?
Yes, for the state respondents. He's for Union of India.
Seal records, he knows. Submits that as per information, the owner, the Delhi High Court is yet to dispose of the matter. And matter means appeal, no? Dispose of the appeal. NSS, he seeks 3 weeks time to obtain the updated information.
Yes, my lord.
On the appeal.
Yes.
Aforementioned. Ma'am has no objection? There is no objection. List after 3 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you be able to file in a affidavit in the form of an affidavit?
as and when we
Additional
receive
burden.
instructions.
Verbal instruction very difficult to be relied on, na? So, for convenience, since you learned government advocate appearing for giving name of the parties, shall file an additional affidavit
Yes,
in regard to the above.
yes, Lord.
List after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 51.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, here I'm representing respondent number 4.
Respondent number 4.
Yes, Lordship. So, Lordship, we are waiting for a new development to file affidavit in the opposition. So, kindly,
Affidavit in opposition is not filed.
not yet
Lordship.
filed here.
On behalf of respondent number 4.
Lordship, the private respondent is seeking time since 9 June 2022 to file affidavit in opposition. So,
Give some
short,
more.
short time will be given.
Extend the time, give some more time.
If 3 weeks time may be given to us.
Because of this geographical location, so many difficulties are there. 3 weeks.
3 weeks time, Lordship.
Lordship, as a last chance, Lordship.
Without fail.
Yes, Lordship.
3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Respondent number 4. Huh? Your
Lordship.
respondent number 4.
Lordship.
Who is appearing for others? None appears for respondent number 1, 2, 3. Can you represent? All right, nothing will happen. After 3 weeks
Okay, Lordship.
or fixed date?
3 weeks as a last chance.
Without fail.
Please, Lordship.
For admission, item number 59.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 59.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, in this case, the petitioner is challenging the work order dated June 6, 2022, issued by the state respondent, and also without publishing the NIT, Lordship. So, Lordship, this is a covered matter.
Covered matter.
Yes, Lordship. Page number 28, Your Lordship. Annexure I.
28.
Yes, Your Lordship.
28, page number 28. Who is appearing for the respondent?
Government.
Is it a covered matter?
Yes, Lord.
Lordship, in fact, on the last order, order dated 29/5/2023, this honorable court has passed a direction to the state respondent to file an affidavit. And accordingly, since we have not received any instruction from the respondent, I have sent a reminder letter to the said respondent. But till such time, till such date, Lordship, I have no instruction. So, Lordship, I leave it to your Lordship.
It's a covered matter,
Yes, Your Lordship.
so there is no risk involved. Let them file their affidavit in a way.
No.
Already, already decision is in your favor, as you have just said.
Yes, Your Lordship, the
So give them their opportunity
Your
to
Lordship,
file the affidavit in opposition.
Your Lordship, the work order is for only 1 year.
Can you file within 1 week?
Lordship, the issue is this, Lordship. By by order dated 29/5/2023, this Honorable Court has directed the state respondent to file an affidavit, and if no affidavit is filed, basing on the material available
Yes,
on
I
the
have
court,
seen, I have
Lordship.
seen.
And Lordship, I have sent a reminder to the state respondent on many
You want that
occasions,
the
Lordship.
matter should be disposed of in view of the order date 29th of May.
Lordship, a chance may be last chance may be given, Lordship.
One
So
more.
that Lordship, last chance may be given.
Then
Lordship.
one more lesson in the next week.
Your Lordship,
Opening instruction, already there is order
Lordship.
granting you last chance.
Lordship, time and again I have sent a reminder to the state respondent, Lordship. But till such time,
Finally, this time.
Lordship,
Last chance, finally, no further extension.
Lordship.
I could have disposed of, but it's second time.
No.
Think about that side too.
Lordship, the government has been seeking time for 5
Next
times.
week,
Lordship.
last chance.
Lordship.
No further extension. Mr. Sundar, you are more himself.
No, Lordship. Vijumami. Vijumami.
Now the government submits that although in the light of the details of contained in order dated 29/5/2023, he has sent a reminder to the concerned authority
Lordship.
but the required instructions on the matter is still awaited.
Lordship.
Therefore, submits that a further license may be granted to file affidavit in opposition.
Lordship.
MSU Learning Council appearing on behalf of the petitioner. There is submits the bedroom of facts and circumstances involved in the instant petition can well be disposed of as the same is covered by the decision of this court passed in WPC number 77 of 2022, a copy of which is annexed as Annexer 1 EA 2. In view of above, the respondent
Lordship. For all the state respondents.
the state respondents
One.
given one more chance finally
Lordship.
submit to file their affidavit in opposition if any, pending which an endeavor shall be made to dispose of the matter on next week. Thursday?
After 2 weeks, Lordship. In that case, since
But
this is the last chance.
But you
Lordship.
suggested it.
Lordship. Five. Four.
For what?
Four, 7.
4/7.
Lordship.
4/7? Is it working day?
Lordship.
Yes, sir.
It's a working day, Lordship. Till 5th.
Let me see. It's till 5.
Till 5.
4.
Lordship.
My lord, we have made improvements in the DC. So we take a
Let's complete this. One more matter is
One
there,
more.
na?
For admission, item number 60.
May I please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here I'm paying for respond number 4, Your Lordship.
Respond number 4.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we have received a copy of the reply, Your Lordship, to the affidavit filed by us, Your Lordship, just today, Your Lordship.
Copy
If-
of the affidavit.
Reply, Your
So
Lordship.
I filed
Reply
the,
affidavit is received today.
Yeah, we have received it, Your Lordship.
I filed my rejoinder
Ah.
to the affidavit of position filed by respondent number 4.
Lordship,
Is it? Copy
So,
of
Lordship,
it reply has been received today.
Your Lordship.
Will file.
already filed.
Already filed, Your Lordship.
Lordship, there is urgency in this matter. This is transfer matter, Lordship. If my learned friends agreed, matter will be listed day after tomorrow. It's a short matter, transfer matter, Lordship.
Not on Friday or Thursday.
Lordship, the matter can be listed next week, Your Lordship.
Eh?
Next week, Your Lordship. Monday.
It will
Lordship-
be on Tuesday.
Yes, Lordship.
Tuesday.
On 22nd. On 22nd.
On 22nd.
No, 27, Lordship.
No, 27.
Lordship.
Who is he? This petitioner? Where is he working?
Professor, Lordship.
Professor?
Yes.
Of government college?
Yes, Lordship. She was transferred twice within a period of 1 month.
For 1 month.
Yes.
By way of modification?
Yes, Lordship. And Louis, regular Lordship. If the transfer,
Any malafide intention?
no, Lordship.
No indication?
Lordship, if the transfer order which was issued in public interest is modified, reason should be assigned in the order. That is the law. No reason has been assigned.
But interim order is there.
Lordship, interim order is there. In fact, it is the respondents to insist for early disposal, Lordship. But then, Lordship, by giving this writ petition pending, no party will be benefited. And secondly, Lordship, although there is interim order, the petitioner is not released from the parent government. Therefore, she is not in position to join the new place apostate, Lordship. So that is the urgency involved in this petition. The matter will be listed on 27 for disposal,
Personal
Lordship.
interim order. Interim order passed earlier. We'll continue till then. 27?
Yes, Your
27.
Lordship.
27?
Next week.
Lordship, no further adjournment, Lordship.
The last chance. That's one.
Obliged.
Transfer is the incident of service. That is also there. But why you were transferred twice? Intention is to be taken into consideration. What prompted the authority to transfer you?
Nothing is mentioned in the order and beyond order.
I have not gone through this. Next.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 62.
None appears for the parties. Who is appeared? Last time none appeared. Today also none appears. 62. This is 62.
Lordship.
62. Now, WPC 334 2022.
Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship.
You are there. Alright. File on behalf of petitioner number. Have you filed a affidavit in reply?
Lordship, no.
No.
No, Lordship.
Have you received a copy of the
Lordship,
affidavit?
Lordship,
Huh?
Lordship, Lordship. On
Received.
last occasion I've received.
Copy
Lordship,
of affidavit in opposition is received. But seek some more time to file the affidavit in reply.
no, Lordship.
No, you will not file?
Lordship.
What's the
admission-
matter then?
Lordship, Lordship, the case of the case of the petitioner is that petitioner was appointed as a work charge on fixed pay. Lordship, Lordship, petitioner was appointed on work charge fixed pay. Lordship, under the establishment of Executive Engineer BWD Housing on 2nd 9 1990. Lordship, since then he has been serving the department with dedication and sincerity, and in 3 years' time, Lordship, he will be retiring out of service on completion of 35 years. Lordship, petitioner also submitted his representation. Lordship, in the year, I have annexed the representation 2020, and Lordship, since this is a covered case, Lordship, we
No, all right, please submit on the facts.
Lordship.
For what case I will do it? Is it binding? It is of their DB. Is it a DB judgment?
Lordship, Lordship,
DB.
Lordship, this similar issues has been adjudicated before the division bench, Lordship, and
What is copy of the judgment?
this is the order. Lordship.
WPC 80.
25, Lordship.
80.
Writ appeal 25 of 2022. Lordship, date of hearing is 14th 9 2022. Similar issues has been adjudicated before the division bench, and the division bench upheld the single judge. Lordship, this is the order. I may be allowed to place this on record.
Which are paying for the respondents. You are paying for one.
All the respondents.
All.
Yes. Wait, just a moment.
You are seeking minimum
Lordship.
minimum pay scale.
Lordship,
You are on the verge of retirement within 3 years.
within 3 years, Lordship, I'll be out of service on completion of 35 years.
You have served for how many years?
Thir-
Till date?
32 years now.
Still workers.
Lordship, on fixed pay. Petitioner was appointed in the year 1990, Lordship.
Still workers, on workers, not regulars. What is your prayer here now for pay scale?
Pay scale, minimum.
Under
pay scale.
what rule the scale can be provided to you? What is the relevant rule? Just let me know. What is the relevant rule? No, all right. If you cannot, I have to find out. No. Under what rule the workers employees are appointed? That means engaged.
Lordships, there's no provision for granting of
No, no,
skill
no.
base for
See,
appointment of
when a person is engaged by the state,
Lordship.
he has to be paid. No,
Lordship, minimum. at least
remuneration
a
has to
minimum.
be paid. The remuneration can only be generated from one source. That source is controlled by rules. What is the relevant rule?
Lordship, I have to.
Okay. Come with full preparation. Rules are not referred here. Rules are not referred.
No.
Simply that he has been rendering service as a casual worker for last
32 years.
32 years. That is the only ground.
Lordship.
And so, according to you, you are entitled to regular pay scale, which is not paid.
Lordship, minimum, at least
But
a minimum.
under what provision? Under what provision? I understand your problem. Plus, please legally let me understand your
Lordship.
problem. All right, you take time then. On next Tuesday.
Lordship,
Uh,
Lordship.
give some relief to that person who is rendering service for last 32 years. So, MS Winship, Planning Council appearing for the petitioner. 6. Some more time to clarify the legal provision on the entitlement of the petitioner to scale of pay. As per list on Tuesday next.
Lordship.
Tuesday.
Lordship.
The last sentence. Okay.
For admission, item numbers 5, 6, and 7.
Who matter? 20 meter. This for admission here.
Honest.
Yes, sir. Yes. Again, Nico.
From my side, it is very clear, my lord. Your lordship's voice is very clear.
It's not audible now clearly. Again, there is echo. Dr. B.P. Saraf, learned senior counsel,
AK Saraf, my lord.
appeared on behalf of the petitioner, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, partially, but unfortunately, due to technical snag, his submission could not be heard clearly. In view of above, let the matter be fixed. And as a fixed item, sir,
My,
please have
my lord.
on Monday is the admission hearing matter.
Yes.
Tuesday. When? Monday. On Monday next.
My lord.
Disconnect.
Lordship, interim order may be allowed to continue.
Interim order, first earlier will continue till then. You are for petitioner?
Yes, Lordship, I'm on behalf of Sir.
It's assisted by Mr.
KV Nagi. Much obliged.
I hope that Mullah, by Monday the technical snag will be over.
For hearing, item number 81.
Lordship, I'm sorry, sorry for the interruption, Lordship. Let the motion item 1
One?
listed on Thursday.
Stay order is there.
No. It's motion item number 1, which was adjourned for some time.
What order? This was adjourned for some time.
Yes.
One.
Because of this is the matter of relating to gate. Matter relating to gate.
Okay. You call this register judicial. Who is it? Yes, learned counsel, you can confirm it. You confirm it. Where the appeal lies against the judgment, judgment rendered by CAT. No doubt it is the High Court. But DB or SB? You please confirm it.
So let it come up on Thursday, Lordship.
Thursday?
Yes.
No problem on Thursday. So as to enable the students who learn counsel for the petitioner to confirm whether the judgment against the judgment and order rendered by the Central Administrative Tribunal lies to the as before the SB or DB of the High Court.
Awesome, Lordship.
On Thursday?
On Thursday, Lordship. Awesome, Lordship.
'81. Agreement.
May I please, my lord. My lord, here the petitioner is the wife of one Mr. Sandosh Tirki, my lord. Sandosh Tirki, wife. Petitioner is the wife of Sandosh Tirki, who had served the department under the establishment of Chief Engineer, Public Works Department, Road and Bridge, my lord. He had served for 33 long years, my lord.
43?
32, my lord.
32 years.
Yes, my lord. 32 long years, and my lord, while serving as office peon, he went on vacation to his native village, my lord. On 13/9/2013, my lord. And on his journey way back to his native village, he went missing at Patna Junction, my lord. On 13/9/2023, my lord. And the wife looked around for him all over the station and nearby places.
All right.
Yes, and now he was not found, and immediately he reported to the railway police station orally, my lord. Orally, and thereafter, my lord, here annexure B, A and B. A is the appointment order, and C is the regularization order of the petitioner husband.
Page number?
Page number 17, annexure A. This is the appointment order. May I read, my lord?
Your husband?
Yes, my lord.
Of the missing person?
No, I'm the petitioner, and my husband went missing, who was serving as office peon.
Your wife?
Yes, I'm the wife. Married, my lord?
No. The instant matter is that the petitioner husband.
Yes, my lord.
Petitioner husband?
Yes, petitioner husband.
Who was missing?
I'm my husband. I'm the wife, my lord.
No, here it is mentioned the instant matter is that the petitioner husband
Yes, was working as office.
was working as office peon under the petitioner husband.
Yes.
All
I'm
right,
the-
all right. So I'll find out.
Yes, my lord. Annexure is the appointment order of the petitioner husband, my lord. And annexure B is the regularization of the
Husband.
husband. This annexure A and B is just to, I have annexed just to show that my husband was working under the establishment of chief engineer, R&B, my lord. And my lord, annexure C. Annexure C is the missing and the complaint given by me to the police station. Type copy is page 20, my lord. Annexure C, page 20. May I read, my lord? This is not a.
What
yes,
was
type
the final outcome in police investigation?
my lord, so far the police has not given report to me, my lord. And here in this read petition, I've met them as
But
party, my lord.
the investigation must be completed then. I have to call for report. Will produce. See, without confirmation,
Lordship.
the benefit it will be difficult. How many days will be required to obtain the information present status? I think they are not doing anything.
My lord,
Police is Sajna.
my
Yes,
lord,
Lordship.
here
That has to be
It is
ascertained,
like
Lordship.
a missing affair.
Yes, Lordship.
My
Huh?
lord, here I have given the complaint to the railway thana that is at Patna, my lord.
What is the case number?
My lord, they have not given me any information.
Where is the acknowledgement? There is no acknowledgement.
Acknowledgement,
Yes,
nothing
no,
is there, Lordship.
Nothing is there.
My lord,
That
here
is the
is
problem.
respondent number 4 and 5. I've met them as party. And here, by order dated 16/12/2022, this honorable court has passed an order that notice to respondent number 4 and 5 shall be deemed to be complete, my lord. And here in my prayer, one of my prayer is that do direct the respondent number 5 and 4 and 5 to give report to the petitioner, my lord. That is my prayer, my lord. One of the prayer, my lord.
The person is missing.
Yes, my lord.
Actually, he is missing.
Yes, my lord.
And you file, according to you, you file this FIR.
Yes.
Missing FIR.
Lordship.
Achha. But there is no evidence that has been received by these respondents number 4 and 5.
Yes, right. Lordship.
There is no acknowledgement received, none. There is no case number.
Here, my lord. Immediately after the missing of my husband, I complained to the Thana orally. And in the year 2015, that is 2015, acknowledgement is there. They have acknowledged the complaint which I have given. That is at page 27, my lord, annexure H, where the petitioner has given in Hindi, written in Hindi, and translated one is at page 28, my lord.
Yes, learn a government.
Lordship.
How to help this wife of the missing person?
Lordship.
How
That
can you
first
help?
has to be
Because you
established,
see,
Lordship.
they are most probably illiterate. They do not know how to approach the competent authority in
Exactly.
this
Yes,
case.
yes.
I understand the problem. Somebody is to guide her and to accompany her. This is the situation.
Lordship.
Now the question is, if the missing information was lost with Patna Railway Police or any other authority, Then in that case, the SP is a necessary party. He is the supervisory officer. He is non-gazetted officer.
Lordship, Lordship.
Hmm. Or the DGP Bihar can also be implicated.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm.
Because if no action has been taken by the
But
OC, Lordship,
if
officer in charge,
this court asks you
Lordship.
to obtain instructions,
Lordship.
where from you will collect?
Yes, that is our problem.
Your state na?
Yes, Lordship. So,
Where
Lordship.
from you will collect? There is no case number 2.
Yes, Lordship.
Here, respondent number 4 is the officer in charge,
That's
Railway
a
Thana.
non-gazetted
Yes,
officer. He is non-gazetted.
yes.
Hmm.
However, notice has been served, but they have not given their appearance.
So, Lordship has rightly pointed out, Lordship, if they can make a necessary party such as SP and DGP of the Bihar, then that will serve the purpose. Or else, if even if we send it to the OC, Lordship, officer in charge of the
It will not work.
My Lord, kindly appreciate that the petitioner is a domestic helper and she has 4 minor children, and it's very difficult.
That is why I say so. Na? She seems to be illiterate.
Yes.
She is to be assisted by some person who is at least to some extent literate. The officer will not give any importance to you if you appear before them. Huh?
Definitely.
That is the ground reality.
Yes, that's how so
In
far
a
the
police
report
stations,
has not been given.
they do not give any importance to this downtrodden people na, who approach them for help.
Yes, Lordship.
So it will be difficult to give any effective order without proper instruction.
Lordship.
You implead DGP Bihar,
Lordship.
Superintendents East Central Railway Zone, Superintendent of Police, actually GRP,
Lordship.
Railway Police.
Lordship.
They are necessary party here. Can you do that? Do in such a way that you can win. You will get justice from the court.
My Lord, can I place one citation?
Citation, no, not now. First information, please make available of the information.
My Lord, Bihar is, such a long distance. I can't even help them personally, nor the petitioner. So it will be very difficult, my Lord.
Then you obtain instruction.
Lordship, to get an instruction, Lordship, from our side, Lordship, it will be Hercules task.
Now, one
Why?
thing is
Because,
that they say the incident occurred in Nagaland. There is Home Department.
no, Lordship,
Home
in fact-
Department can obtain.
Lordship, in fact, the petitioner's husband was serving in the state of Nagaland.
You have not implemented the Home
But-
Department of Nagaland too.
Yes, my Lord.
Huh?
Lordship.
Then, had they been implemented, the Commissioner Home could have contacted the Bihar government.
Lordship.
Here, my Lord, my simple prayer is to direct the respondent number 4 and 5 to give the report of the missing report upon the complaint filed by the petitioner. That is
But
only
there
my
is
prayer.
no case number, na?
Lordship.
There is no case number. They will say that we have not received any such complaint.
Actually, in
So
that
no
case,
case
my-
is registered. You give me the case number, then where from you will get?
Actually, in that case, the petitioner had approached the officer several times. However, the officers were reluctant to give any report or any information to the petitioner.
They won't give you any importance.
Or else, Lordship, what I would like to suggest before this honorable court is let the petitioner implead the DIG Bihar as one of the these DGP as well as the SP
And
as a
also, my
necessary
lord,
party, and
here,
also the Home Commissioner. In fact, Lordship, Lordship, that I, Lordship, that I. Lordship, in that way of the matter, Lordship, let them also implicate Home Commissioner as one of the party, so that the Home Commissioner will initiate the.
however, my lord, here the state respondent will not come forward to help the petitioner. Why? Because my husband service has been terminated, my lord. And he,
Lordship.
yes.
In case the Chief Secretary Government of Nagaland, he can help you.
Lordship, in that view of the matter, let them implicate the Home Commissioner as one of the party, as well as DGP Bihar, as well as the SP. Lordship.
Yes, my lord. So far, no news about he's alive. And it's going to be 10 years, my lord. He went missing in the year 2013, and on 13 he'll be completing 10 years.
Lordship, I'm for 1, 2, and 3, Lordship. Lordship.
As the whereabouts of the petitioner's husband is not known.
Lordship.
Yes.
Who reportedly went from missing in Patna.
Patna, yes. Yes, railway. Patna railway station.
The commissioner home.
Home Commissioner. Home Commissioner, Nagaland.
Commissioner to the government of Nagaland.
Lordship.
Is a necessary party for just disposal of the instant petition. As he is responsible to ensure proper protection, proper protection to the local people of the state. And in the neighboring hand, the commissioner can contact the competent authority of Bihar to make some breakthrough in the matter. In view of above, the petitioner shall implicate
Lordship.
the Home Commissioner to the government of Nagaland as respondent number 6 by way of filing an amendment.
Lordship. Lordship.
Of course, the order is
Lordship. Lordship, let them file an amended petition, Lordship. Amended petition.
My lord, in that case, your lordship may kindly do so. Because the petitioner, they are, having a difficult time.
Lordship, let them file an amended petition within just Lordship.
Of course.
Yeah. A week's time, they can file an amended petition. A week's time. Lordship, yes. That is Lordship. Hello.